Hey, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be making my version of potato salad. Yeah, potato salad, minus the potatoes. So instead of potatoes, I'm going to be using cauliflower. Yeah. Ha ha. Y'all saying, cauliflower? I don't know about that right there. My daughter be like, oh, she ain't going to try this right here. But it's good. It's real good. I'm going to fix it the way my mama used to fix it with potatoes. I'm going to use some celery seeds, black pepper, instead of sweet relish, I got dill relish, salt, mayo, mustard, and sweetener. Low carb sweetener. Whatever sweetener you use, that's up to you. And boiled eggs and onions. And since I'm going to have to cut my cauliflower into small little pieces, but not too small, not too big, like you would do regular potato salad, and that's how I'm gonna do mine. Alright, let me open up this pack and get to cutting. Okay, so I'm gonna take all this green stuff off of it. I know there's a simpler way of doing this right here, but I need to cut these into the spares, and then cut them to bite size. And also have your pot of water boiling, so once you finish cutting them up, you can drop them in the water. But first I'm gonna after I finish cutting it up, I'm gonna rinse them off. Okay, I'm gonna show you the size that I like to cut my cauliflower into for my sweet potatoes. And you just cut them down in the middle like that. And then cut them in half. Bite size. Like this right here. This good. I'm gonna cut that right there like that. You gonna still want some of the stem in it. That's a good part too. And cut them in. I'm gonna say like a 1/4 piece of it. Okay, so I cut up all of my cauliflower. Some pieces might be a little too big, but and I'm gonna rinse them off. I'm gonna take and put in my water. I'm gonna let them boil for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna let them boil for about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how they're looking. Alright, so the cauliflower has gotten to the softness that I like them. So now I have to drain them and let them cool off. So I'm going to let them drain and cool for about 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and put everything together. Okay, the cauliflower is ready. So I'm ready to put it in another bowl. I drained it and everything. Put it in another bowl. Now just add whatever you put in your potato salad. I got my boiled eggs. I got how many? 2, 4, 6, 7, but I don't know how many I'm going to put in it. Just cut them up. Look at that. Look at that egg. Perfect. No green. That one. This is old school style. My mother's style. Like I say, everybody don't make their potato salad the same. Let me do 4. And I'll see if I need any more later. My onions. Use your own judgment on how many onions you want to put in there. Try to put half of them in there. But still, all the filling is still going to be good though. Let's see. my dill pickle relish. I gotta strain this because I don't like all that juice from the relish, and I don't know exactly how much I'm gonna put in here. I squeeze the juice off of them because I don't like I said, I don't like all that juice. Yeah, I'm gonna need more than that. Let me go wash my gloves off. Some celery seeds. Like I always say, use your own judgment. Some salt. Black pepper. Mayo. Some Duke's mayo. Alright, I don't know how much mayo I'm going to use in this. That's about a cup. I use my hand. Mix it all together. That's really old school right there.
I don't know. I might taste it. But like mayonnaise and cauliflower. I don't know.
Tastes like potato salad.
I might just go ahead and give it a try.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough mayo like that. I probably look like I put too much mayo in it.
No, cause I think you still got some more to mix up, right?
Oh, that's it.
Can you see that part? I don't know. I think that might be enough. It's not too much. I don't think it look like it's too much.
But you also got to remember that it's not potatoes. So it's not gonna be, you know, some mustard.
That's a tablespoon of mustard, y'all.
A little bit of my sweetener. I didn't even put a spoon. I gotta taste it now. I didn't even got a fork or nothing in this. I don't want to take my glove off. There's more sweet in here. Oh, that's what I need, some more celery seeds. I ain't tasting. Let me get your fork and taste it. I'm gonna need to add some more cauliflower to this.
Man. Let's see how this tastes. And I don't want to get too much.
Like it's something missing. I don't know.
It really don't taste bad.
I know.
It really does not taste bad, surprisingly.
Okay, I finished my mock potato salad made with cauliflower, and here's the results of it. See, you had to put that little good old paprika on top of it, like old school. Yeah. So that's my mock potato salad. And as always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.